everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a just gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Big block car, guys, and nice. This car has just undergone a complete frame-off restoration. Very nicely done. Car's out of South Carolina. The bottom of the car is just as nice as the top. It's painted all shiny black. Really slick car. Of course, this is my favorite color combination. It's Tuxedo black with all new red vinyl interior. It's got the white SS stripes. It's got a killer set of Billet Specialties Street Lite wheels on it. New rubber all the way around it. You can see it's got the functional cowl hood with the pins, and just like it is just slick. And if you're hunting for these 70s, you know they've just always been hot. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. Very nice. It did a great job on the stripes. They're all clear coated over. It's got a couple of the original T3 headlights in it. Chrome and stainless is nice on the car. I think it's got all the original glass. Yeah, that's a shaded soft gray front windshield. Again, it does have the functional cowl hood. Slick tuxedo black paint. Well, these 70s have just always been hot, man. This body style right here, it's just the king. It's the one they're all chasing. Nice and straight down the sides. Car looks like it's got all the original quarters on it. Again, Cooper Cobra rubber all the way around it. 15-inch Billet Specialty Street Lite wheels. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system with the chrome tips. We are going to run it down the road. We've gotten some rain to get some of that salt off the road. So, front disc brakes. .454 big block underneath the hood here. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel. That may get changed, guys. To be honest with you, I'm not real happy with the idle. We fired up. Once it warms up, it runs great, but I may end up putting an Edelbrock on it. We just seem to have better luck with those. Weiand Stealth and aluminum intake. It's got a high flow aluminum water pump, power steering, stock exhaust manifolds. It's got manual front disc brakes, HEI distributor. Detailed up nice underneath the hood. You can see it's got new steering components on the front. Good looking car. Wicked cold out today. Chrome mirror. Got new door handles, door rubbers and stuff. That looks new. A couple little marks on your interior there. Door seams look clean. I've got new mats on the way for it. New carpet, new sill plates. It's got the bucket seats with center console, sports steering wheel, tacking gauges. The headliner looks good. Again, it's got the comfort grip or sports steering wheel showing 32,394. I'm sure that's 132. They say there's not very many on the miles on the resto at all. Tach, gauges work. The clock is not functional. Original Delco AM radio, it's not working. The blower motor does work. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a 12 bolt, 355 limited slip rear axle with a factory F41 rear suspension. See your numbers and stuff are still on your corners. It's all spackle coated here in the trunk. Again, very nice underneath. Slick car. Something's put a little mark on the door pad there. Again, new mats are on the way. Well, I'll tell you, my shoulder's getting better there. New covers. Dash pad looks good. Gauges look good. Stock center console. It lights up and everything. That looks like an original door handle there. Yeah, nice little lobe to it. And we'll play with that carb, guys, see if we can get it flattened out. Seems like it's loading up a little bit. I don't like that. You do this? I'll have you do it, Eddie. Nice little load to that cam, though. Tach works. Again, your gauges are functional. We'll check it. Twist the ball, but it'll work. What happens? No on the radio. Blower motor does work. Doors open and close nice. Again, the flapper hood does work. Guys, make sure you keep track of us. You can do that at our website. It's southernmotors.com. You can also do that on our Facebook, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us.